Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Hyundai Genesis. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, carefully position the assisting vehicle so it's close to your Hyundai, but make sure the vehicles are not touching. Crucially, ensure both cars are completely turned off before you begin connecting any jumper cables. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead battery. Then, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. Next, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Hyundai, away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Once connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer. After this brief wait, you can attempt to start your Hyundai. Once your Hyundai starts, remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection, starting with the negative cables first. To ensure your battery recharges properly, drive your car for at least 20 minutes. This allows the alternator to do its job. Also, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.